All right, so this is just going to be a quick and easy painting. I'm going to use the colors that I have left from the previous paintings in a flip cup on an 8x10 canvas. I did, like I said in one of the previous videos, I did mix up this green, just kind of playing around, and after looking it over, it probably would have served a better purpose as a base coat. So I just kind of put some on the canvas, kind of swirl it around with my fingers, and we're just going to use the leftover paint, put it all in this cup, and flip cup it, and just let it be what it is. So I'm going to use all of the paint that's left over. There's a lot of bubbles in this. I don't know if that's chunks or bubbles or both, but that one came across a little chunky. And like I said, I'm just really just using what's left. There's still silicone in these three colors: the pink, the turquoise, and the purple. And I am going to use the rest of that green, just so I don't have wasted paint. I don't want the paint to be wasted. And this is way more paint than is needed on an 8x10, but I knew I wasn't going to use any of this stuff again right now, so I figured I might as well go ahead and get it out of the way. And again, I couldn't really tell if that was a lot of bubbles, chunks, or a combination of both. So this may end up being a little chunky. And we're just gonna let this sit for a second, not as long as the others, because this one doesn't matter as much. Not that it doesn't matter. I mean, all paint matters. But I just wanted to use what was left so that I didn't have anything wasted. I really don't like to waste paint. And I've only really had to scrape maybe 2 paintings ever. So. Alright, I think that's long enough. Go ahead and pull this up. And I'm going to ribbon through here. You can see that silicone is still working a lot. Actually, I can see a little bit of the green. Here, I'm going to torch first. Oh, the white is really starting to come through. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot of bubbles in this, so the stuff that I saw going into the cup is probably chunks. So this may end up being a little chunky, but it'll be all right. And I'm tilting probably a lot faster than you probably should, but it's just how I do. I'm not patient enough for that. Yep, I'm starting to see the chunks. I need this. Oops. There's a huge chunk right here. I saw another one. I don't see it now. I don't think I'm going to see it again until this thing dries. That sucks. Yep. And from the outside right now, I don't see any more chunks, but I know there's probably plenty more there. I think it's kind of cool that when I do the close-up, you can see this a little bit more, but that green is coming through in the cells and not necessarily, it's not featured prominently in the painting itself, but you can see it in the cells, especially in this area right here. So, yeah, you know what? I wonder if I should torch again. Should I torch again? Why not? I tried to start washing my hands so I don't get paint all over my torch, but that only lasted about a couple of paintings. Alright, so we're going to let this sit, see if it changes, and then I'll come back and I'll do a close-up in a few minutes. And once again, it's close-up time. Like I said, it's 8x10, and I was just trying to use the leftover paint. Let's see what we got here. Lots of cells. Like I said, the cheat code is in effect here with the silicone and the 91% alcohol. And as you can see here, like I was saying before, the greens really came through in the cells here. Not really anywhere else. Not really a lot around here and in the other parts of the painting, but only pretty much in this one corner. But there you have it. That's the painting. Like I said, just a painting with the leftover paint. I'll let your boy. Facebook.com/PTCAC. Peace.